Alright, let's look at the date and time in the Garmin for 6:20. Today we're going to ride the elevators. The Hyatt Hotel in Rosemont, Illinois. And there's Chicago elevators right there. And we got this one over here. Where are you guys going to? 4?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Alright.
4. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so now the elevator's not full anymore. The traction elevators, you can tell.
Yeah,
But I'm not exactly sure what brand it is.
I can tell.
This looks like this might be some kind of slap-on mode.
Press the button.
And I can't, there's no, I don't see anything like that like tells you what brand this is, so I'm just gonna guess. So right now this brand's unknown. Anyways, there goes that elevator. Alright, I called the other one. And oh, there's a service elevator back here. So those two are the ones we were riding. And back here, or past that door is where a service elevator is. So I wonder if we can get into it. Nope, it's locked. But past the door is where a service elevator is. Should be getting this elevator to the left. And here it is. Should we go all the way down?
Yes.
No problem. Figure indicator. Key switches. Switches, navigation universal, and there's your phone. So I'm push button go up. It's not really bound to stop there. So now I'm gonna put sleeve in the elevator. I'm gonna watch it close up. So there it goes. And I believe back here is where the service elevator is. Yep, it's past that door over there. So, yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's gonna be it. Also, sorry if my camera movement is all over the place. I'm carrying a tripod right now, and that's just. And we were filming the siren earlier ago, so that's why we're carrying them. So, alright guys, that's gonna be it.